Black Friday sales in Scotland were a damp squib in a lacklustre Christmas shopping season, according to the Scottish Retail Consortium. Experts say retailers having a weak Christmas trading period could have to make difficult decisions in the new year. Kirsten Tate joins us now from Aberdeen city centre. Kirsten, retailers are feeling the pinch this year.
Yes, exactly. And it's being said that retailers are hearing alarm bells instead of tell bells. And one business I spoke to earlier say they've lost around 20% in sales due to the cost of living crisis. And here on Union Street in Aberdeen, well, people agree. They say that they're only spending on the essentials and that Christmas this year could look like a different one. In a fortnight, it'll be all over. But for now, preparations for the big day are in full swing. However, sales in Scotland are down again, making for a weak Christmas shopping season.
The challenge of the high street now is not just in Aberdeen, it's throughout the UK, maybe throughout the world, but I think the cost of living crisis coupled with the migration of shoppers to the internet, so that's a big factor. I'd like to think that going forward for us, we've just got to keep coming up with ideas to respond to it. It's almost like a boxing match. You get over one thing and you get another punch, but then you've got to hit back.
I think we're as busy as we expected. We're hoping to get busier just because the atmosphere is so good when it's like that. A lot of people are finished already though, so we'll probably see a flurry of last minute shoppers now in the next 2 weeks.
It's usually the biggest sales event of the year, but last month sales around Black Friday fell by more than 1%.
The problem with Black Friday is, one, they're now stretching out through the entire month. It's not really a one-day thing anymore.
Sometimes it's actually not that good of a deal, you think? It's just kind of like a way to get you to spend more money.
Marketing, isn't
yeah,
it?
a little bit.
No, don't really buy anything on Black Friday.
Because of the cost of living is high, so no Black Friday.
November marks the 5th month of declining sales across the country. Retail experts say cutbacks in the face of the cost of living crisis are playing a part.
The pressure on people's bank balances at the moment. We know that energy's still high, people's mortgage rates are going up, and the cost of inflation has chipped into households. All year customers have focused on only what they need, their disposable income to be really short. We're hoping they've saved a bit up for Christmas, but they just may not have that money in the bank at the moment.
Like Bob and Lisa, retailers are having to think out of the box to stay afloat, while others are desperately hoping for good Boxing Day sales to get them through the quieter months of next year.
So Kirsten, yet again, bad news for our high streets.
Well, Norman, it could be, because while inflation is coming down, sales still haven't gone back up, and that's despite food sales, cosmetics and fragrances doing relatively well last month. And what might surprise you is that for the last 28 consecutive months, online sales have also been on the decline. Now, experts are saying that these challenges will go on into the new year, posing a real threat to the sector and potentially closing some stores.
OK, Kirsten, many thanks.